Let's go on an adventure into music history. It's the Composer Chronicles from Dynamic Doodle.
Grüß Gott, liebe Freunde. Hello, dear friends. My name is Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. I was born in Salzburg, Austria on January 27, 1756 into a very musical family. My father Leopold was a talented violinist and composer, and he was my very first teacher. I started playing the harpsichord when I was just 3 years old. And by the time I was 5, I had already composed my first piece of music. Can you imagine that? A little boy writing his own music. As I grew older, my talent for music continued to develop, and soon I was traveling all over Europe with my family, performing for kings, queens, and noblemen. By the time I was in my teens, I had already composed symphonies, operas, and chamber music. One of my most famous symphonies is Symphony No. 40 in G minor. It's filled with deep emotion and energy, reflecting the ups and downs in my life. Opera became one of my greatest passions. Now, you might be wondering, what is an opera? Well, an opera is like a play, but instead of just talking, the characters sing, and there's an orchestra that plays the music, making the story even more exciting. One of my best known operas is The Magic Flute, which I composed near the end of my life. This opera is a tale of magic, adventure, and wisdom, and it contains one of the most challenging arias ever written, sung by the Queen of the Night. It's a true test of a singer's skill. But not all of my music was grand and dramatic. I also enjoyed writing lighter pieces, like Eine kleine Nachtmusik, a serenade that is still loved by many today. It's joyful and lively, capturing the spirit of the parties and celebrations of my time. Oh, and let me tell you a little secret. I loved food, especially hearty meals. My absolute favorite was a fried liver dumpling with sauerkraut. It might sound unusual, but it was delicious. Even though my music brought joy to many, my life wasn't always easy. I struggled with financial difficulties, and I often moved from place to place, seeking work and trying to support my family. Despite these challenges, I never stopped composing. Music was my true passion, and I believed it was my gift to the world. Sadly, my journey came to an end on December 5th, 1791 in Vienna, Austria. I was part of the classical era of music, a time when composers like me were creating pieces full of balance, beauty, and harmony. But even though I am no longer here, my music lives on and continues to inspire people all over the world. And now, dear friends, it's time for me to say goodbye. Or, as we say in German, auf Wiedersehen. Remember, music is a universal language that connects us all, and it can bring magic into your life, just as it did in mine. Thanks for joining me today. Happy music making.